Itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh.
Okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko po alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces.
Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
Some of these so-called victims died years before or after
Yes.
Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam,
2024.
Mr. Chairman,
Opo.
Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Sir, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali
But
po,
of course,
sandali po.
nauna-
Sandali. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission?
Yes,
Madam,
Your Honor.
absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor.
In fact, we have all the list.
Lumabas po na may mga kapatid, yung mga biktima na sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga
Mr.
binabalita
Chair,
ngayon
Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Mr.
Mr.
Chair,
Chairman.
I'd like to interject for a while here, while you're answering. Ang binabanggit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? Oh, I mean, my goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan, meron kang basis, meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Raw.
Yun nga po, yung raw po, I'm
Therefore,
referring...
you have no right to say it's a massive hoax.
Yes, Mr.
Ma'am,
Congressman
yung
Paduano.
sinasabi mong mga facts ngayon na lumalabas, is it an official document coming from those investigation by government agencies, by Quadcom, or just a mere in the social media accounts?
Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apologies, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi,
Mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh. So, tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're not telling us na yung criminal forces.
Okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko pa alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway,
Ikaw
again,
ang sumulat,
apologize.
Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.